guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the CVM-WS50 Multi-Channel Wireless Microphone Kit from Comica. Now this kit is designed specifically for smartphones, and it's supposed to provide you with the ability to record studio level audio on the go. Now this kit was sent to me by Comica to unbox and review. However, they're not sponsoring this video, so as usual I'm going to tell you what I like and dislike about this product. So stay tuned. Now this kit is the base level kit and has several accessories that you can buy for it, including a separate transmitter to connect a wireless lavalier and a selfie stick with a built-in wireless remote, just to name a few. Now this specific kit retails for about $180, but if you act right now, you can get an extra $18 off when you buy this at Amazon. Now this isn't the first Comica product that I've unboxed and reviewed, and like most of their other hardware, I'm going to assume that it's pretty good quality at a pretty competitive price. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what comes in the package. So like all other Comica products that I've unboxed previously, this microphone kit comes in a pretty nicely packaged and sealed box. It's got an image of the kit itself on the front, and on the back it gives you a brief overview of the various features and optional kits available to you. And also, like all other audio equipment kits that come from Comica, this one comes contained in a pretty nice carrying bag that keeps its shape due to the foam insert inside, where each component is nicely packed and secured in form-fitting cutouts. The handheld microphone that comes with the kit is a standard performance-grade microphone that's made up of durable aluminum and plastic and has a rubber power button and a built-in digital display. It also feels pretty hefty and has some weight to it, even without the batteries installed. Now when it comes to the short selfie stick, it's just big enough to fit in the palm of your hand and has a nice powdery grip to it. It too feels pretty solid and is made up of a thick aluminum material and has a 1/4 connector on the top, which can be used and connected to most devices. Now the receiver, which also serves as a phone mount, is probably one of the best designed mounts I've seen to date. It also looks pretty cool. It too is made out of both metal and aluminum and feels extremely durable. It's got a digital display and is adjustable using the aluminum knob at the top, which also allows you to connect various other accessories to the kit. This mount is designed and is adjustable to fit any and all phone sizes, and it can even accommodate various different miniature sport and action cameras as well. Now when it comes to charging, this kit uses your standard micro USB charging cable and connects to the side of the mount itself. And it also comes with your standard 35mm audio cable with a TRS to TRRS connector. And then last but not least, you also get a pretty extensive instruction manual and starter guide, as well as a warranty card and certification card to validate that the equipment has been tested for functionality and quality. Okay, so like I mentioned, this being the standard kit, it comes with your receiver, and then your transmitter is the microphone. And then aside from it being the coolest looking selfie kit that I've seen so far, it seems to be very durable. It's made of some high quality material and just feels very solid. So the way you set this up is you take your grip, which is pretty solid and has this nice slip-proof feel to it, and you screw it into the 1/4mm jack on the bottom, like so. And then you turn the grip knobs at the bottom out, and then you adjust the top, which is this bolt that loosens up to raise up the actual grips at the top to adjust it for whatever phone size you need. Take your cell phone, put it in, keep rolling and screwing and loosening the screw until it's about the right size. And then turn the knobs and then tighten it down to secure your phone. And it's got a pretty cool look when it's completely set up. So the way you connect the audio to your cell phone is you take the TRS end of the connector, which is identified by the 3 parts and 2 lines, to your receiver. And then you take the TRRS end of the cable, which is usually the L-shaped version with 4 parts and 3 lines. And in this case, since I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to use this adapter to connect it to the Lightning port. And that's about it. Now you're ready to record. So what's good about this kit, aside from how it looks and it being wireless, is that you can switch between 5 different channels in order to get the best connection and the least interference between the receiver and the microphone. You can also adjust the volume on the device itself using the volume knob switch at the top as well. And on the bottom, there's also a headphone jack that you can connect a headset to monitor the audio that you're recording. So all you have to do to set this up is press and hold the power button on the back. And when it turns on, you'll see a flashing green light. You do the same thing on the microphone by pressing and holding the power button, and then it'll turn on. So it's got a nice digital display on both of the devices. And you know it's connected when the blinking green light turns solid green. And that goes the same when you're setting it, which all you have to do is press the set button to switch between the different channels. So what I like is on the display itself, it also has your audio volume that shows you your peaks and gains as you're speaking. Now when it comes to this device, I do like how it feels, and I definitely like the quality of the material. What I don't like about it is, one, it doesn't come with a connector for the iPhone or an adapter for the cable so you can connect it to an iPhone. So this being a device that works for all smartphones means you have to buy an adapter for certain phones. So it would have been nice if this either came with rechargeable batteries or that the microphone was rechargeable itself. The receiver, on the other hand, is rechargeable. So it's not too far to stretch that they could have made the microphone rechargeable as well. Now when it comes to the hardware itself, you'll notice that at the top there's a 1/4 connector, which means that you can attach different accessories to it. In this case, you can attach an LED light, you can attach another microphone if you want, you can attach a shotgun mic, and different types of accessories. So this thing is definitely expandable. It's got other selfie sticks that have controllers, wireless controllers, and things you can attach to it as well. There's just a number of different accessories on Comica's site that I saw that you can attach to this thing. So it's very dynamic and, has a lot of options. Now when it comes to the quality of the audio, let's go ahead and turn this thing on and see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to set it on video, and we've already got it connected. Everything is turned on, and it looks like everything's connected. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to shoot some video using my phone and see what the quality is like. So I'm going to switch this to selfie mode. I'm going to turn this on, record. And then I'm going to speak into this mic. So the quality that you're hearing right now is coming directly from this microphone as I move it away and towards my mouth. So testing, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. I tested this earlier, to be honest, and the quality was pretty good. I like the quality of the microphone, I like the quality of the audio, and it sounded really good, at least for this microphone itself. For something that's so affordable, the quality of the audio is pretty good. So as you can see, it makes it very easy to use this and turn around the room. The stick is easy to grip. It's very nice to hold, and it's got a non-slip grip to it. And then the microphone has that same grip. It's very sturdy and made of this aluminum material. So all the audio right now that you're hearing is coming directly from this microphone. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Now I can easily see myself using this for interviews, but when I'm trying to record video or selfies or anything like that, I'm probably going to switch out this microphone for the transmitter and the lavalier microphone, because this just looks a little too awkward to be carrying around. And come on, who wants to get tired carrying 2 handheld devices around all day long? So, based on using this for the past couple of weeks, what are my thoughts? I think for the price, it's a great quality selfie kit that I would recommend you purchase if you're in the market for something like this. I know I didn't share much footage outside of my review, but you'll definitely see some of it in my upcoming videos. I absolutely love the build quality and the audio output from the microphone, and it definitely has a lot of different uses, especially with all the various accessories that you can connect to it. Now, like other Comica kits that I reviewed previously, I do wish that they would have included a cable for the iPhone, or at least an adapter to make it more universal. I also would have liked it if they made the microphone rechargeable like the receiver itself, But other than those two things, I think this multi-channel smartphone kit is well worth the price. It's definitely something that I can see myself using when I go on trips and or start filming more vlogging content. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. Please support my channel by clicking the like button if you found this helpful. Please also leave a comment and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell icon on your way out to get notified when I post new content. Until next time, see ya.